In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. Let's get started with seamless integration, so you can keep everything in sync efficiently. First, you'll want to open the board that you want to integrate with Google Calendar. Once you have this board open and visible on your screen, you're ready to dive into the integration process. Take a look up to the top right corner of the Monday.com interface, and you'll see a button labeled Integrate. Go ahead and click on that. This is the hub where all the magic happens. It opens the Automations panel, and that's where we'll set up the connection between your Google Calendar and Monday.com. Inside the Automations panel, you're going to want to search for Google Calendar. You'll see various template options pop up. These templates are designed to help you easily configure what exactly you want this integration to accomplish, whether it's managing events, syncing tasks, or any specific task that helps streamline your workflow between Google Calendar and Monday.com. Once you've selected a template that aligns with your needs, the next step is to connect your Google account. You'll notice the option to click Connect, so go ahead and do that. This will prompt you to log in to your Google account if you aren't already. Ensure that you log in with the account that has the calendar you wish to integrate, as this is crucial for a successful sync. After you hit Connect and log in, you should receive confirmation that the integration is complete. This is the moment when your Google Calendar is successfully linked to your Monday.com board. Now, your setup is ready to go, and you can start creating automations within the automation panel. The possibilities here are extensive. You can configure actions that trigger based on specific events in your Google Calendar, or set up notifications in Monday.com for upcoming meetings or deadlines. The key here is to explore what options best align with your workflow, and utilize them to enhance your productivity. And there you have it. You've now integrated Google Calendar with your Monday.com board, opening up a whole new level of coordination and efficiency. It's a simple process that pays off by keeping your projects and schedules aligned across platforms. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or want to explore more advanced features, feel free to comment below or reach out.